Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a matcha latte. And it's so easy. All you need are these things that you see here. A milk of your choice. I choose almond or coconut. A matcha powder and a mixer. Honey and vanilla extract. A really cute mug. And if you want an iced one for later, a really cute glass. First, you will need either an almond milk or a coconut milk. I personally love the almond milk better, but I decided I wanted to try it with coconut milk, but it was just okay. So today I'm just gonna do half almond milk and half coconut milk to kind of use this up. This is the matcha powder that I use. This one is from Costco as well. My husband found it and he was like, "You want to try it?" And I was like, "Yeah." And I think it is, I don't know what brand that is. What is that? A lamb. First step, we will mix the green tea powder with water. And I am using this special tool and it is by Power Licks. For my mug today, I am doing this a hot matcha latte because I feel cold and it looks crazy outside and it looks cold. So I'm gonna be doing it warm. And then later, during like in the afternoon, I'm gonna do it cold. So I am going to use my Comfort Radon mug because I am a Radoner. Okay, now my milk is warmed up. I will be putting a tablespoon, two tablespoons. I don't know. I will not measure it. Woo! Okay, that's enough. And since I am doing this warm, I am waiting until my milk is warm so it melts it. But if you are making this iced, I would suggest to warm up the honey before you do this because it will get stuck on this thing and you don't want to do that. And then mix everything together with this awesome tool that I found from Amazon, which is a saver. And last but not least, I do put a vanilla extract because the Starbucks use some kind of vanilla syrup, I guess. I don't know. Can you guys tell me? But yeah, I don't want to use any of that chemically whatever thingies in there. So I'm just going to use this, about 1 teaspoon. So it's like a vanilla matcha latte. It is so good. This is really cool because it foams it up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it definitely foams the milk mixture. And there you go. Here is matcha latte. Okay guys, the matcha latte is all made. That was so easy. After this, I am going to organize my craft room. I'm going to move this Primo water thing in there. But for right now, I'm going to take a little comfort with my matcha latte. Look at my lipstick. Okay, now it is the iced version. It's basically the same, but with ice. So this is the honey that I warmed up. But first, put the matcha powder in there and then mix it with the electronic mixer. You guys have to try this because it's really nice. I mean, you don't really need it if you have a matcha mixer already, but this is really awesome and it makes everything fast. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you will try it at home because it is super easy and I believe you will not spend $5 every day if you want to drink it every day. And this is a very cheaper way if you are a matcha latte lover. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know in the comments below if you like it warm or cold. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!